What's up guys, hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to be doing a shift knob install on my 2016 Mustang GT. Alright, so we're going to be installing this shift knob today. I ordered this off of American Muscle. I ended up getting it for $80 after everything, which is not a bad deal for this. I later found out that you can get this same shift knob if you want the exact same one off the Ford Performance Parts website, and I can always leave that link in the description down below. And I'm pretty sure it was like 60 bucks or something. I'll try to see if I can find the link I saw it on. But yeah, let's open this up. So it looks like we get some instructions in the box and the actual shift knob itself. So let's set that down. I'm going to open these instructions. Holy crap. They give you a lot of instructions just to remove the shift knob. Well, it's a good thing we're not going to be using that anyway. So, it's actually really simple to get this shift knob off. What I'm going to recommend you do is put your manual Mustang into reverse. That way when you're putting on the new shift knob, you know exactly how far to tighten this down, so the reverse lockout collar can still you can still throw the car into reverse basically. So in order to remove the stock one, it's actually really simple. You want to turn this, the shift knob, counterclockwise. So basically, if you look at a clock, you want to turn it the opposite way of the way the handles are moving. So counterclockwise, you just give it a good twist. I mean, it comes off really easily. So yeah. So once you get that off, that's pretty much it. Counterclockwise, twist it, and give it a good yeet, and it should come off. Alright, so here's the knob that I ordered. Like I said, I got this off American Muscle. It's carbon fiber with a black line running alongside of it. And to install this, really simple. It's recommended to put some blue Loctite on here. I need to run to Home Depot, so I'm going to just install it, and then I'll go to Home Depot, get some blue Loctite, put some blue Loctite on there. Like I said earlier, it is ideal to put the car into reverse. That way you have enough clearance for this lockout collar on here. To install this, really simple. You do the opposite of what you did to remove the factory one. So you make sure it's on there, and then you just turn clockwise, so you turn to the right. And then give it good, make sure it's on there well, and make sure it's, lined up even to where you want it. Neutral, and then reverse. So just make sure that collar is able to go into reverse basically, and there's enough play into it. So yeah, really simple to install. Looks pretty good. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments down below. I'm constantly checking the comments, constantly answering questions, so that's probably the fastest way for me to answer your question. I hope you guys found this video informative, and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.